Protons and neutrons form and are brought together in a nucleus from the cooled down matter of the burst of energy that comes from the Big Bang. Electrons find protons and neutrons and forms hydrogen. 100 million years later, hydrogen gets attracted to each other and becomes so hot at 10 to 15 million degrees Celsius and fuse to become helium, which forms the stars as we know it. A bunch of particles gather and create a protostar. Particles fuse and form our star, which as part of the main sequence, which is the sun, and forming the red giant that expands from exothermic reaction, losing more internal energy as new elements are made during the process of previous elements fusing together. It explodes and forms a nebula, which is particles of dust and gas, also known as the low mass stars, and heavy mass stars are neutron stars or black holes. Nebulas can become white dwarf stars, which can also become black dwarf stars, and as nebulas begin to spin, the center gets super hot from the heat and pressure and starts over as a new star. Groups of stars then find each other and become attracted to each other in concentrations of 100 million stars or plus. Galaxies are then formed by lumps of matter and hundreds of millions of stars and then get attracted to other galaxies, creating galaxy clusters. Galaxy clusters become clusters of clusters, also known as a supercluster. From a star's life cycle, we get accretion, which are planets, meteors, asteroids, comets, etc., during the protostar phase. Accretions are then the leftover particles that are not consumed by our own star. All this make up the cosmic web, which is our universe.